Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to move a part in assembly. So we have these two example part objects and I will go to assembly. You can click insert and we can attach this part and also the part 2. Click OK to apply. And if you want to move this part, we can use the matte tools. So first I will use revolve matte. I will click from the center here in this cylinder, move into this point. Click, it will be automatically move, and then you can click OK to apply. Another options like I will use this option fastened matte. So you can click face, and then you can move to this face. It will be automatically moving to the point. If you done, you can click OK. So I will move against these objects with use the revolve matte from the bottom here, and then I will click in the bottom this point. If you done, you can click OK. So that's it for the basic Onshape tutorial how to move a part in assembly.